It's a little bit wet outside, but we're going for a ride. Let's do this. It's crap because all my friends who've got motorbikes say, oh, I can't go out, it's too wet, it's raining. Well, motorbikes are also designed for going in the rain. There she blows. Right, I hope you can hear me. We're going to go for a bit of a ride because I am on holiday and I refuse to be stuck in the house. So let's go. And people say, oh, you're crazy. You're going to get wet. It's all about the clothes, people. I've got my waterproof trousers on, my waterproof jacket. I'm sweating my nuts off because it's not cold. But, yeah, I want to get out there. So, I'm going to my girlfriend's for lunch. But I'm going to take the long way around. Show you some Rumburg. Rumburg is a town near where we live. It's about 10 kilometers. So let's do this. It's not raining that bad. It's only spitting. But I have got, if the rain does turn pretty bad, I have got a, put that down, oh we can hear me better, I have got a second rain jacket that's, that can go on top of this one, so I've got double rain protection. We don't need navigation today, because I know exactly where I'm going. I want to see some of these fall colours. Fall? Who am I, American? Autumn colours. So we're just passing Schlucknoff train station there. The local service station, which repairs cars, etc., etc. I've actually got a four-wheel drive in there. It's been there for 2.5 years. Waiting for, not the mechanic who owns the garage to do it, but somebody else. I'm not going down that road because there's bloody traffic lights all over it. So let me tell you a little story. When I lived in Madrid, for 3 years, from 2013 to 2016, I didn't have a car. So, for that whole period, I used to ride my motorbike from my village into Madrid city centre and back, which is about 30 kilometres, 40 kilometres. And it didn't matter if it was snowing or raining, I used to drive my motorbike. Now obviously you've got to be a little bit more careful on your motorbike in the rain. Look out for oil on the roads. But also, we're in autumn, so we look out for leaves as well. So I'm not going to go mad. Although I think my girlfriend is, when I arrive on my motorbike. Yeah, so I also used to take my motorbike up the mountain when I went skiing. Now, hang on, it's a little bit windy. Hang on, hope you can hear me better now. So yeah, I used to take my motorbike up the mountain skiing. Motorbike gear is almost the same as skiing gear. It's designed to keep you running dry. I used to put my boots in my panniers I had little skis, the blades, Bigfoot some people call them, and yeah, I used to go off up the mountain skiing. And once I was stopped by the police, and this police says, ¿Qué estás haciendo, tío? Está nevando. What are you doing? It's bloody snowing. And I said to him, I'm English. And he went, oh, okay, on you go. So yeah, it's not my first rodeo on a bike when it's raining. But obviously it's been a while, so I'm taking it nice and steady. I hope the camera is not getting too wet and you can see everything. Beautiful, beautiful colours with the autumn, guys. Absolutely stunning. And with a little bit of rain as well, it makes it look even nicer. Let me just wipe that screen there. There you go. Auto Escuela. Car school. I forgot what you call it in English now. I'm sure somebody will remind me in the comments below. Right, across the railway tracks. Now you've got to be careful with railway tracks because they are bloody slippy. But onwards and upwards, let's go. So I don't know what my girlfriend's cooking for lunch, but I'm sure it'll be beautiful. Saves me a job. I love my gloves. They've got like a windscreen wiper on the finger, so I can windscreen wipe my helmet. I wonder if you can get a windscreen wiper for a motorbike helmet. If anybody knows of one, please let me know in the comments below. One of my colleagues at work actually put his motorbike away last month. He said, oh, it's getting a bit cold. Yeah, last month in October. None of my friends here like going on bikes when it's cold or it's raining. My girlfriend's going to go bazonkers. All these trees here down the side of the road, they're all apple trees. And it's really common here in the Czech Republic. So we're going to slow down now because we're hitting the town of Rumburg. Hello, Rumburg. I'll take you through the centre of town. That should be interesting, if you can see anything. I don't know if the camera's picking anything up, or even if it's still working, but there you go. Bit of a wipe there, bit of a wipe on the screen, on the helmet. There we go. Welcome to Rumburg, as Itchy Boots would say. If you don't know who Itchy Boots is, she's a world traveller on motorbikes on YouTube. If you look for Itchy Boots, she's bloody awesome. She's just travelled down the west coast of Africa. Oh, I'm steaming up. West coast of Africa. And then she's having a break from there, and she did the Pyrenees in Spain. And then she finished that and she tried doing a rally and broke her hand doing that. And currently she's riding through the Himalayas on on the new Royal Enfield Himalayan. So really interesting person, I think, in my mind. Auto Kelly, the local car shop there. Oh, we got a train coming. Whoa, you're going to see a train. Yeah. Wow. Can you see me? Are we still working? So, we've got a train coming. Oh, and your camera's still on as well. That's good. I hope the microphone's working because I did a video log. Oh, there's a train, look. It's an orange train. Yay. Yeah, I did a Moto vlog the other day and the bloody mic was turned off on the camera. So yeah, right. It's 10:43, sorry. And I've got to be at my girlfriend's at 11:30, so I'll probably arrive a little bit earlier. But yeah, jacket's doing well. It's a new jacket I got, and I've got waterproof trousers on. So my legs are all toasty dry, and I've got waterproof boots on. And I'm happy. I'm really happy. There's the jacket. Can you see it in the mirror? There you go. Borelni. Oh, I think the sun's coming out, guys. We shall see. Two guys just gone past in that green car were laughing at me on the motorbike. It's like, you pair of muppets. Or they're calling me a muppet for being on a motorbike in the rain. Okay, the train's gone. Can we have the barriers up, please? Oh, I think we're going to have another train here. I could go that way down the left-hand side, but I'm in no rush, so I'll wait. This big factory over here, this is supposed to be like B&Q and what else is there? In America, you've got Canadian Tire, and over here in Europe, you've got Obi. And this is owned by a local company, and they started building it just before COVID. And they finished it, but then all the prices, as you all know, shot through the roof. And yeah, so it's still not open. They're waiting for the price of materials to come down so they can compete with the bigger companies like Obi here in the Czech Republic. So yeah, oh, hang on, we're moving forward. Konec chemico posipu. I have no idea what that means. I think we're actually waiting for another train, guys. Oh, here it comes. One of the older ones. Bloody hell, he was moving fast. One of the older trains. They're still good quality trains. That one's off to Germany, which, as you know, if you've been watching my channel, is only about a few kilometres away over the border there. We're really, really close to the German border. Okay. Hello, there's Bob and Marge in their car. Hello, Bob and Marge. You're not going to see many motorbikes here on the road today, guys. Honestly. Here's my mate. Called Pavel. 'Pavel. 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 ' there. Just up here on the right is the Bohemian Coffee House, this one here, just passing now. It's not open. Oh, today's a public holiday, so there's not a lot of things open. And we're actually going left at these traffic lights to Yizhikov. There's some really nice architecture around here, like this building here. Oh, I thought I was going to stop a bit longer so I could show you, but we're off ski, we're off ski, we're off ski. Okay, and this is the road to Yizhikov, which is in English, Georgetown. Electric shop. There's bloody railway tracks all over this place. You'd think that the railway system was fantastic, but to get to Prague in a car is 2.5 hours. To go on a train, it took me bloody 6 hours. So it's, yeah, it's not very good. Well, I don't think so either. The Czechs seem to like it. Yeah. This is the road where this car's coming out now. This is the road I could have taken from the railway crossing, and it would have brought me out here, but I wanted to go through the centre of town. So the school. Nice. And then just up here is the other side, well, not the other side of Rumburg. Remember when I came out from my house and I said I'm not going down that road because it's got a load of roadworks? Well, that also brings you to Yizhikov, which is here. But the road is terrible because they scraped all the tarmac off the top, and it's just ruts everywhere. Look at the colours here, wow! Beautiful. I actually took a nice photograph this morning and put it on my Facebook of the sunrise. Absolutely beautiful. No cars behind me. Let's rip. Well, I say rip. I'm only doing 80 kilometers an hour. 90 is the speed limit, 90 kilometers an hour when you're not in a town. Now you can see now it says 60 because we're coming into the long road of Yizhikov. There we go. So you got to drop the speed down now, Yizhikov, down to 50. I just thought I'd give you a quick look at the local area where I live on this grim, rainy day, and make this day a little bit better. Can't really see much. I'm conscious. I keep wiping the screen on the camera and forgetting the screen on my visor. Oh, there we go, I can see now. And then, right, just down here, I'm going to turn the camera off, guys, because obviously I don't want the world to know where my girlfriend's house is. So I'm going to indicate right at this orange house and turn right just here. And then as I turn off, I'm going to turn the camera off. At this point, if you've watched this far, don't forget, if you like it, press that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Right, I'm going to stop the bike here and I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'll catch you a little bit later. Bye for now.